Hi friends. Hello friends, welcome back to yet another episode on SRE Demystified. In this session, I will walk you through a basic approach, an analytical approach on risk analysis recommended by Google. So we have seen one way of assessing risk and managing it, which is FMEA, failure mode and effect analysis, in one of our previous videos. Here I will briefly walk you through an analytical approach to risk assessment. So it involves certain keywords such as estimated time to detect, also called as mean time to detect, mean time to recover, mean time to failure, etc. So what is MTTD? It is the mean time to detect a problem. The sooner we discover an issue, the sooner we can fix it. It essentially serves as a test of how good your monitoring systems are. And another important metric is mean time to recover or repair, the amount of time required to repair a system and restore it to full functionality. Once you detect an issue, how long it takes to recover and then make it back to normal working condition. And mean time to failure is the time that an item is expected to last its operations until it fails. It's essentially the lifetime of any product before it fails. Now, how do we make use of them? This is what Google recommends. The sheet that I am explaining here is available in that URL mentioned, a sample sheet by Google. So you can take it from there in case you wish to experiment with this. So you take a service and then list out all the risk involved in that service. The data used here are all representational, just an example, such as DB connection lost, disk space full, network outages, security patches, and for each item you listed, you list down based on your historical data the estimated time to detect, estimated time to repair, the percentage impact, how many users or customers are getting impacted by that particular risk, and the estimated time to failure, how many days it is operational without any issue, the lifetime. Once you put that, it will calculate incidents per year and bad minutes per year by itself. So use your historical data, list down every single risk and get all these numbers. Now see the magic, there is a risk stack rank that automatically gets prepared for various values of error budget. I hope you remember the error budget, the time that you can afford to have the risk. In case you need to know more about error budget, please go and watch the video on error budget. So it detects everything based on the error budget, target availability. It shows you the error budget and how much of error budget is accepted right now. No, because right now I haven't tick marked anything. It simply shows me an automated ranking of risks. So in this example, if 99.5% is availability, all these risks are acceptable within the acceptable limit. Good work, because the budget is 2629 minutes and your total time that you listed out is 657 minutes. So you are very good. Now you take 99.9%. That means there are certain things of them which are easily accepted and some of them which we cannot, and some of them falls under a maybe category, the yellow. I will tell what it is soon. And if you take 99.99%, none of them can be accepted because the budget is only 52 minutes and all of them goes beyond that. It's quite tough to manage. Now I can play around. You start accepting some of the risk to fall within your accepted error budget and it shows you what happened. So the red here says the risk is unacceptable, as it is above the acceptable error budget for a single risk and therefore can have a major impact on a reliability, versus the amber, the risk that should not be acceptable. It's a major customer, as it's a major consumer of your error budget and therefore needs to be addressed. You may be able to accept some amber risk by addressing some less urgent risk to buy back budget. And green, this is an acceptable risk, or it's not a big concern because it falls within your error budget. And blue, a risk that you're accepted to fit within your error budget. Accepting this means you're not going to fix it or you have no plans to fix it. So be careful not to accept more than the size of your error budget. Okay, so I strongly recommend go take that document given by Google, play around and find out how it works for you. Till we see again, thank you.